Amazon is hiring software engineer interns for Bangalore branch. Hi friends, this is Akshay and today I am going to show you how to apply for this internship of software development and what is the criteria and how to fill up the form. So let's start with the description. There is a description which highlights the works of interns in Amazon. Here, as your intern, you will be matched to a manager and a mentor. You will have the opportunity to influence the evolution of Amazon technology and lead missions. In addition to working on an impactful project, you will have the opportunity to engage with employees of Amazon for both personal and professional development, expand your network, and participate in different activities with your other interns thought out your internship. So this is the basic jobs and basic things which is mentioned in the description what to do. So this type of things are called ideal words, others bati. So let's jump to the other things, and here there is a mention what how many hours you need to job, 40 hours per week. Let's take a look about the responsibility of Amazon interns. You need to collaborate, design and create solutions to run predictions and distributed system, build distributed storage, ability to design the code, write solutions, and many other things. So the basic thing you wants to need is what the basic qualifications for applying in this internship. You need to currently enrolled in bachelor's or master degree of computer science engineering and other computer related applications, and have a basic knowledge of C, C++, Java and also Python. The preferred qualifications is mentioned on your screen. You can see previous technical internships if applicable. Means this type of preferred qualification you need to mention on your resume so that they can verify your resume, and after that they certify and filter the best resumes and call them for the interview. So this is the basic things you need to know. So what's the next is your job details. This internship is in Bangalore and this is a software development internships, and there is many other jobs are here, but these are international, mainly in US, and after that there are many links. So here we doesn't need this type of things. Now I'm going to show you how to apply for this internship. So just tap on apply now on the above, and by tapping on that button you got this tab where it is mentioned login with Amazon. If you have any Amazon account, you can log in with that on this Amazon jobs. After that there is an option of email address, and after that it needs password. And if you have not a Amazon jobs account, you need to create new one. Just tapping on create one, and now as I have my account, so I just log in with that. And after that it needs many information if you are creating new one, just like your qualification and when you are going to complete your graduation, and also some marks you need to upload here. So you can read all of this and also apply for this by going through this. So this is very unique opportunity and also very helpful for your placement purpose. So participate in this, and a very good luck from the Careers family. Thanks for watching.